Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news. We don't come back with updates. We don't come back with legit information we go like share, give the general public. And the cocoa now be say the coalition we men now they arrange against our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu coming 2027 election. Them now they consider the former transportation minister will be Rotimi Amechi as their likely presidential candidate for the 2027 general election. And the reason why they choose Oga Rotimi Amechi na sake of a growing deadlock between Atiku Abubakar and Mr. Peter Obi. And for inside this coalition, so my good people, many key politicians, many key political figures and groups they included, they involved. And also the coalition now don't begin discussions about forming a new political party, and the name we they want give this new political party na All Democratic Alliance. Now reports the ground say the proposed party, so this party women want arrange this coalition, the thing will serve as a fresh platform for the opposition, especially if uniting other existing parties prove too risky. That is, their former plan normally be say them now they go just collate, them now they go just gather under one party to go against our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But second say many other political parties we dey for inside we nation Nigeria now just they stand with one leg, one or two things they sub for inside the party. Now why it go just good make they just start a new party from afresh and then build them up? They don't want a situation whereby when they don't gather finish under an existing party, when they don't arrange finish under a party with the ground already along the line, one leadership wahala will come dey burst out or one thing or the other. Now can discourage them or can they cripple their efforts. They don't want those kind of level. That now why they want to start anew. And Mr. Rotimi Amechi, former governor of Rivers State and former transportation minister, man wey turn 60 years on the 27th day of May, he come into focus after Mr. Peter Obi insists on contesting the presidency again with his former running mate, which is Senator Yusuf Datti Baba Ahmed, and still under the Labour Party their platform. Meanwhile, men still dey make effort to persuade Oga Atiku Abubakar make him no run again for presidency, make him just kuku relax and make him support a fresh young blood. Now men dey try to make effort to persuade the man make him relax, but that effort never yet succeed. And now my good people, if you believe say it go make more sense make the former vice president Atiku Abubakar just relax, make him channel all his energy, make him put all his effort and his connect into supporting a more younger, a more vibrant and a fresh blood into 2027, feel free make it put her inside our comment section. Or if you feel as if there's no need for him to step down, making contest, men feel last elect time for the year 2027, still feel free make it drop the comment inside our comment section. Meanwhile, as the former governor of Rivers State, which is Rotimi Amechi, now they celebrate his 60th birthday lecture, he now come the yarn they give men say him be don talk am before even before the 60th birthday, him be don let men know say he no go support the presidential bid of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the year 2027. He no go try and say he dey support the man at all. And wetin him eye now don see for the past 2 years as our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey lead Nigeria, that's don't make am kuku plaster on his decision, say lie. He no go try and say he can dey support our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Instead, he go fight against the man. And also, my good people, one member of the steering team of the coalition, them now come dey yarn dey give men say the private lecture, the 60th birthday of Rotimi Amechi, women team weaponizing hunger. Them now they low-key design them to quietly test public reaction to Rotimi Amechi's possible 2027 presidential bid. Them now want just use and they observe whether men go through follow Rotimi Amechi. And the reason why they don't look Rotimi Amechi's side now sake of the things and things they go on between the former vice president Atiku Abubakar and Mr. Peter Obi. Them now they try to persuade Atiku Abubakar, making relax, making no contest for presidency for the year 2027. And also Mr. Peter Obi now don already set up in mind, he now don already determine, he now don already plaster say now under the umbrella of the Labour Party now go contest, and his running mate go be the same person wey use for inside 2023, and that's na Datti Baba Ahmed. And the coalition know very well say time is of the essence They gats make a move, and they gats make that move now. It is possible that the two former presidential candidates may not reconsider their stance. It is possible say Atiku Abubakar go contest again for inside 2027, and it is also possible say Mr. Peter Obi go still contest under Labour Party, and he go do am with Dati Baba Ahmed. And that na why they dey gear up Sarotimi Amechi. That na why they dey prepare am. They dey make the man ready sake of 2027. After all, he come out second for the presidential primary of the All Progressive Congress. Meanwhile, men still dey discuss on how to register a new party rather than to merge with existing ones like the Social Democratic Party or the African Democratic Congress. Men now dey yarn say it's not just SDP or ADC, it's not about the party or any existing political party at all. If they go join any existing party and last they can't collapse, then they will can't lose the momentum. They will can't lose everything. They will can't lose their effort. They will can't feel discouraged. In order to avoid those kind of levels, now why they guys register a new party and to start afresh. And also, another reason why they guys open a new party now, because say if they go join existing parties, if they go join old parties, then e dey pose legal risk. If last the internal members come carry the matter go court, and court these days the ruling party dey support them. The ruling party and court just as if dem dey into strong relationship. If men now come carry the matter go court, that means they don lose case with that, because the ruling party go do everything in their power to make sure say dem cripple the effort of the coalition. Now with the look of things, my good people, as Mr. Peter Obi don decide to run under the Labour Party, and our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu go dey represent the All Progressive Congress, normally the People's Democratic Party, they go bring up their own candidates, and the coalition so they go still last bring up their own candidates. That is to say, the 2027 presidential election go be a 4-horse race, and even as things be for inside we nation Nigeria, our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey look like the favourite to win the election. This, my good people, na the information I wan share give the general public. Now, anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our great white great country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news, they come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. Now me they go get more news, me they go get more reports, me they go gather more information for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.